change. I just remembered that I ran out of grinding wheels and I wasn't going to be done in time on the 250, so I'm like, I need a tank. And I thought, well, why don't I go over to the 250 collection, because I got a whole bunch of Honda Recon 250s that I'm eventually going to fix up and all, but for now, I'm like, why not just mount one of their tanks to the Odyssey? It's plastic. I mean, I haven't put a back support in it yet, but it's pretty sturdy there. I might put something on the back. They use little straps on the thing, so I might have to cut a mount off a Recon or bin one and use a strap like that, so it's like a Recon. But, yeah. I mean, I just got to bolt the cage down, put the air filter on, make some premix, find a little valve for this, or just use a wrench. I might just use a wrench if I can't find it. And this thing's going to be ready to go. Brakes all work. It's going to be pretty mean. I might have a company send me a carburetor, an aftermarket one for it. I'm going to try out and see if it works. Because if it is, that's a very big, helpful thing for the Odyssey world or Odyssey community. Right there, if the aftermarket one works. So you will not want to miss it. So if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Aw, seat ripped. Know how the heck that happened, but it ripped there. You'll not want to miss this, but there's a lot to come on this, and I took all the guards off this. I mean, the thing hasn't been driven. I want to drive it, test it, then push it hard, and if it performs, put everything back. But yeah, until that, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.